How to set project start date in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your sheet. So here you need to add a date column first. So let's just add a date column. So let's just go to the last column, right click on it, and then click on insert column right. Okay, now here let's just type in date here as the name and then click on date. And then I'm just going to restrict this to dates only. So just click on OK. Now we have our date column. So here, if you want to set project start date, so you can just look for that row that you want to, let's say, start, add a date to. So let's just set the date to 25. So let's just rename this. Let's just name this to start date. Okay, click on OK. Then there you go. So if you want to add an end date, you can do that as well. You can just right click and then do the same thing that we did and then just rename it to end date. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.